everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get bunny cube icon in Geometry Dash. So step number 1 is to enter the treasure room. So just navigate to the treasure room from the main menu by tapping the lock icon. So inside you will find a secret vaults and chests containing hidden icons including the bunny cube. Next is find the bunny vault. So look for the vault keeper with bunny features. So this cute vault character will prompt you to enter a code. So the text input field is ready for your secret code entry. Next step is enter the secret code. So type in the secret code, the bunny code, to unlock the icon. So the vault keeper will respond with hints if you're close. So you just have to enter the correct code to unlock the adorable bunny cube. Next is celebrate your unlock. So if it's success after entering the correct code, you will see a celebration screen with stars and confetti as the cute bunny cube icon is revealed. So just look at those adorable bunny ears. Lastly is equip your bunny cube. So go to your icon kit and find the newly unlocked bunny cube with its cute ears and face. So select it to equip and hop through the levels with the most adorable cube in the game. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!